Huh? Oh.
Hello? Triangle, square, rectangle. Ah! Woohoo! Great!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Ew! Ah. Whoa! Yeah!
Healthy yummy snacks, it's picnic time. Healthy yummy snacks all on the ground. Help me carry them pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun. But it can be so hard.
Whoa!
Baby, don't you worry, we will solve it right away. Solve the puzzle just like this.
Fantastic! Gardening under the sea. Ha, what a life. Ouch! Hey, what are you?
Don't you have any ideas? Okay, wait just a little bit, and I'll give you a huge hint.
I may need to change my attire. Ha-ha!
Hello, Mr. Clay Sculptor. What is this beard for?
Have you seen famous sculptors? Seriously, they all had beards.
Wow, maybe I should start growing a beard myself.
Don't bother. I'm gonna do all the sculpting jobs for you. Haha.
Guys, do you recognize this house now? Who lives here?
That's Squidward's house! It resembles the giant statues from Easter Island.
Yeah, so Mr. Tentacles has an artistic soul. So do I. Whoosh. Great. Let's attach the eyes under his thick eyebrow. This design totally slaps.
Play door service. Just a second. The door is in its place.
Hi, I'm working at Sea Doors Designs. Let's add some wooden texture.
And the final touch, let's attach a doorknob here. Too high. Maybe there? Aha! Guys, it looks amazing. Give us a thumbs up.
Home delivery service. We'll deliver this house right to the destination.
Susie, hot news. I'm moving too.
Okay, I see. Are you gonna live under the rock like Patrick Star? Now your future house looks too plain. Let me fix it. And ta-da! Now all we need is to add a few designer solutions.
Like this weather vane. A water storm is coming in that direction. All done.
Well, this is the most minimalistic house we've ever made, but it's good anyway.
Miss, are you ready to purchase one of these estates? We have them all. Houses from fruit, houses from stone, and sweet dwellings for a low budget.
I don't know. I want to live in a more green suburb.
That we can do. Check out this amazing meadow.
Oh, this is much better. Now I'm actually considering moving to Bikini Bottom. Let's meet my new neighbors then. Or actually, we'll create them from scratch.
This looks cute and squishy. Susan, did you find a replacement for me?
No, silly. It's totally not like that.
Well,
It's just a jellyfish that lives on jellyfish fields. Check out these colorful spots on its belly.
careful. It'll distract you with its pretty freckles and then replace you. Stay away from them, guys. See? They are irresistible.
Woo! Sammy, help me to make lots of jellyfish.
All right.
Guys, don't forget to press the bell button and stay tuned. We'll keep rolling.
Susie, hurry up. If we don't finish the field soon, these corals will stay living on me.
No, we can't let that happen. Go, guys, quick. Here you go. Welcome to the jellyfish fields. Hop and hop.
Here's a sign for all newcomers so nobody will get lost again.
It's time to expand the territory. We're waiting for more bottomites to arrive.
Yeah? Sorry, guys, it's all booked. Maybe in another universe.
Should we make more SpongeBob crafts? Give us a thumbs up if you think so. The next step is shading. Let's get to it.
A natural canvas. Holy cannoli, I love nude challenges.
Sammy, come on. You have plenty of space there.
I'm an artist. I just follow my inspiration.
Anyway, we did a good job here. Guys, check this out. Now we'll place it near the jellyfish fields. What a nice view.
Susan, I brought new bikini bottomites here. Seaweed.
Seaweed, but it doesn't look like one.
Sure, because you have to create them first. It's obvious, right?
Okay, let's see. Whoosh. Here we go. Something like that should do.
The finishing touch is on me then. Guys, keep it up.
Who would have thought that growing seaweed could be so easy? It turns out that we don't even need a real sea for it.
Here are your new neighbors. Please don't fight.
Okay, say bikini. Something's wrong.
Huh? Everything seems to be all right. Interesting. Susie, we forgot the life buoy.
Why? Do you want to act like you're drowning?
No, I mean the life buoy.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, then we need some orange clay.
I've already prepared a buoy shape. Get your paints.
It's already done. How do we spell bikini?
Just like Sammy in pretty and flawless letters. Haha.
I hope this suffices, Sammy.
Susie, stop tickling me. I'm lifting weights here.
Sammy, I didn't even touch you. Maybe it was... Sammy, run! Here, quick! There! Guys, from now on, you live here.
Sue, you're my hero. I thought I'd die from their spikes.
Ahem, you know that these urchins are harmless for slimes, right?
You're just telling me this now?
And miss such a drama? No way. Anyway, let's finish the decor.
I'm on it. Guys, we'll see you in Bikini Bottom in a second.
Ah, this is nice.
Susan, I finally resolved my issue. We'll destroy the SpongeBob universe to create multiple parallel universes. Ha 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 ha!
Just answer one question first. What is Dr. Strange doing in Bikini Bottom?
Easy peasy. He's just, I forgot to think that through. Never mind. Ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna save Bikini Bottom from you.
Guys, she ruined my plan. Give me more thumbs ups to recharge my battery of mischief.
And don't forget to subscribe. See y'all.
Hello?
Hello, it's Mr. Bucket.
Oh, hello, Mr. Bucket. How's the table? Have you fixed it yet?
I think so. Now, I've got a job for you. Can you go around to 27 Flower Lane? There's a man there, got a problem with his plumbing.
Yeah, will do. See you later.
She's a good plumber, that Rebecca. Now, where was I? There goes another leg.
Let's play.
from 9 across.
Hello.
Oh, welcome. Can I help you?
The question is, can I help you? I'm Rebecca, the plumber.
Oh, yes, that is right. I have a block sink in my kitchen.
Okay, where is it?
Through there.
Right, okay, so it's just through here. Whoa, what is that smell?
What is the problem?
What is that?
That is my kitchen. It is where I cook my food.
What is that smell?
Well, it's probably the block sink. I suppose you better go and sort it out.
Me?
You are the plumber.
Yeah, I suppose I am. Okay, here goes. Oh! Someone's put a load of food down the sink. It's blocked.
Oh, welcome. So what is the news?
The news is someone's put food down your sink and it's all blocked up.
Food, you say?
Yeah, it looks like meat pie and potatoes.
That is funny. I was going to have that for my lunch. I put it in the oven just before you came.
Are you sure you put it in the oven?
Quite sure. I was reading my book. Then I took the pie and the potatoes, and I went over to the... Maybe I put them in the sink. I was too busy thinking about my puzzle.
Yes.
Come to think of it, I wonder what happened to the scrambled egg from last week. And the fish pie from last August. Maybe I put them in the sink as well.
But that would explain the horrible smell.
Would it?
Yes, it would. Your sink's got blocked up with old food, and it's become very stinky.
Well, I suppose you'd better go and clear it all out.
Me? Oh, yes, I know. I'm the plumber. I have no idea how to clear out a blocked sink. What shall I do? I know. I'll call Mr. Bucket.
Ah, hello.
Hello, Mr. Bucket. How do I clear a blocked sink?
Oh, easy. With a plunger.
What's that?
It's a black suction cap on the end of a stick.
Oh, I don't think I've got one of those.
No worries. I can bring you one.
Oh, what about your table?
Ah, don't worry about that. I fixed it.
Great.
So what is the news?
The news is Mr. Bucket's bringing round a plunger so I can unblock your sink.
Ah, that is good.
What was that noise?
I do not know. Was it you?
It wasn't me. Was it you?
Oh, it was not me.
There it is again. It's a noise. Came from over here. I think it's this radiator. I think that... What are you doing?
I'm putting on my scarf. It is very cold.
Cold? Yeah, it is a bit chilly in here. This radiator isn't working. Neither is this one. I think your heating might be broken.
Is it?
We need to find out what's wrong. But where does hot water come from? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. In a house, water is heated in the boiler when it is needed. We need to find your boiler. Maybe it's broken.
Ah, good.
Back soon.
Let's play.
Well, this is the boiler, but there are no lights on it. It doesn't seem to be working. Oh, hello. This is switched off. Ah, now it's on and it's heating the water.
So, how are you getting on?
I think I found the problem. The boiler was switched off.
That is strange, because I came up here this morning and it was very dark. And funnily enough, I couldn't get the light switch to work.
You couldn't get the light switch to work?
That is right. I flipped the switch, but the light did not come on.
Did you press this switch?
Yes, that is the switch I pressed.
That's not the light switch. That's the switch to your boiler. You turned it off by mistake.
Did I? Oh dear.
Well, don't worry. I've turned it on again now. You should have hot running water. I'll just check the radiators.
Switched off the boiler.
This radiator is working. All sorted.
Thank you very much.
I'll just check the other radiator. An experienced plumber always knows how to fix these things.
This one is still cold.
Just a matter of knowing what to look for. Hey? Oh, you're right. There's that gurgling noise again.
Ay, 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 ay.
Are you all right?
I've remembered. This happened before.
What do you mean?
The radiator went cold. The plumber came around and said it wasn't working because the air had got trapped in it and the hot water wasn't getting inside it. He fixed it by letting the air out with a little key.
Great. Do you have the key?
No.
Oh. I know what we can use. Do you? That's what this is for. It's to release air from the radiator. Excuse me. Yes, it's working.
Oh, that is good.
The water's getting into this radiator as well now. And listen, there isn't any gurgling anymore.
No, you're right. It is just going bing bong instead.
I think that might be a doorbell.
Oh, yes. Coming.
That might be Mr. Bucket with the plunger. The time has come to unblock the sink.
Hello, Rebecca. It's Bucket, Mr. Bucket. I brought you that plunger.
Oh, great. Lovely to meet you at last.
And you too. Now, where's that block sink?
It's in the kitchen. I'm going in.
Rebecca,
Yes? Oh, yes.
we're right behind you. All the way. Well,
It's done.
thank you very much.
No problem. But please, don't put any more fish pie, scrambled eggs or potatoes down that sink ever again.
No, I won't. You've done a grand job, Rebecca. All my customers have been calling in saying how happy they are. And I am a very happy customer too.
Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. To stop water flowing through pipes, a plumber will turn off the stop valve. An electric pump makes water flow faster through the pipes. And water is heated in the boiler when it is needed. I think it's time we went home. Here's your plunger, Mr. Bucket. Thanks very much.
No, you keep it. I've got plenty of those at home.
Oh, thank you. Oh, well, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye, Rebecca.